Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog, Day in the Life of a Window Cleaner. What have I got today? Well, me and Matthew, we've got 20 cleans. They're all inside Wisbeets, which isn't too far from where we live. But what we find on these days is sometimes we have to drive home to refill up with water. And that's going to add about an hour onto your day because it's 15 minutes drive there, 15-minute drive back. So you're going to have a cup of tea while you're at home and probably 5 to 10 minutes rest to drink that. So all in all, it's probably about 1 hour. We'll see. Some days we can just about do it with the dregs of the water. I'll start the furthest away and sort of like try and work nearest at home. So if I have to go back out, it cuts down a bit on travelling time. And yeah, see how the day goes. It's a lot to get done. It's a busy day for us, but I'm sure we do it. Weather looks good. It's been good last few days and it cheers everyone up. Right, see how we get on. Just gone 10 o'clock. We've done 5 cleans, got 15 left to go. Just popped past Morrison's for a toilet stop and then I'm going straight on something to drink, so I'll probably need a toilet stop again later. I'm getting to that age. But we're going to go from here, head off to clean another customer who's close by to Morrison's, then we're going to come back on ourselves and just follow the route what we're supposed to do. It just makes a bit of sense. But yeah, hopefully today's going to go. It's been going all right, so it'll be good to get today done in a good time as well. But we'll see what happens. That's it, done. Successful day. All cleans planned done. No skips, so that's good for us. And the sun's been out, so it's been a nice day. It's just gone 4 o'clock and we finished. We popped home to Asda, get some bits for the missus. Pancake day and all that lot. But yeah, we've had some jobs come up in the pipeline. It's been on all week and we've got the green light. So tomorrow's video that I'll be filming is for a 2-day job down in Aldershot. So yeah, it's definitely worth the money for me. So that's for sure. So me and Matthew will be getting up early tomorrow morning, driving down there. And if you want to find out more, see it in tomorrow's video, or tomorrow's it'll be out in Saturday. So yeah, I'll be editing and putting it out on Saturday. So look forward to that. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you haven't already done that. Appreciate it all. And there'll be a video up here somewhere from YouTube for you to watch. Take care.